Welcome to another leavesthegotham.org product review. Today we're going to check out the recent Sonic Drive-In 75th Anniversary Batman Kids Meal Toys. Now, these guys kind of flew under the radar. A lot of people were not familiar with these. They are a set of 5. They're all action features. We're going to open this first one. This is the Batman utility belt. Each one comes with a coupon for the complete first season of the 66 Batman show, along with a little look at everything that's in the set. This is the utility belt. Looks like the bat symbol sticks on there, and it sticks onto your belt. It's like a little belt buckle. That appears to be pretty much it. Looks like you can take it off and use it as a little batarang. So that's pretty cool. The next one we've got here, this is the Bat Pen. It's a nice little pen shaped like Batman's arm gauntlet. You can write with it. Next one's the Bat Whistle. Give that a try. Oh, that's kind of crappy. There we go. Maybe I'm just crappy at whistling. Okay, got that. Next, the Bat Cuffs. This is one of the coolest things that I've seen in kids' meals for a very long time. I mean, this is the kind of thing you expect to get with a actual role-play set. Very cool Batman handcuffs. Now, as a kid, I would have thought these were pretty damn cool to play with. They actually will open up and then close, and obviously they have bat symbols on them as well. And they will fold up. Looks like you could stick them on your belt as well. And last but not least, the Bat Cowl. Here we go. This is the one I think you'll see little kids running around wearing. It's just a little pair of plastic glasses with a nice, really pretty cool Batman cowl sculpt on it. So there you go. This has been another leavesthegotham.org Batman product.